Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Some student asked me that some grammatical explanation if I can give. I will try. Sloka, mantra number 15. Hiranmayena patrena शास्त्रस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्वं पूषन्न पावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. This is the mantra. So Hiranmayena, Hiranya means Suvarna, gold. According to Panini Maharshi, this is the Vikara, modification of Hiranya. I will tell you the sutra. Dandi Nayana Hasti Nayanatharvanika Jaimbhashineya Vashinayani Braunahatya Sara Vaikshaka Maitreya Hiranmayani. Panini Sutra 4.6.14 174. Panini Sutra 6.4.174. 6.4.174. So according to that sutra, where there is mayat pratyaya, there ya and a वर्ण की लोप हो जाता है. ऐसे करके हिरण्मय शब्द आता है. हिरण्मयेन तृतीया विभक्ति. पात्रेण, पा धातु का मतलब है रक्षा करना. पाती, वहां से पति आता है, जो रक्षण करता है. इसीलिए राष्ट्रपति कोई माताजी होने से भी उसको राष्ट्र माता नहीं कहा जाता है, राष्ट्रपति कहा जाता है. गणपति, गणानाम पति. पा रक्षणे, there is one dhatu called pa. दादिभ्यस छंदसी. in सिद्धांत कौमुदी सूत्र नंबर, उनादि सूत्र नंबर 609. If we do tran pratyaya, it becomes patra. The same पा से पाती और पति आता है, सेम पा धातु से पात्र आता है. तो पात्र का तृतीया पात्रेना. पात्र का मतलब है भाजन, जहां से भोजन रखता है, भोजन करता है. सत्यस्य, सतो भावः. पाणिनि सूत्र 5.1.124. The sutra is Gunavachana Brahmanabhibhyah Karmani cha. If we put Shyang Pratyay, then Satya comes. Okay. So, सत्य शब्द की अर्थ है ब्रह्म. सत्य मीन्स ब्रह्म. यथार्थ, सुनृत, प्रिय, सत्यवाक्य, तथ्य, रीत, सम्यक. All the meanings are having for satya. But here means actually satya matlab brahma. But the thing is, Satya Shabda sometimes has been used for Supreme Brahman, Parabrahma. Sometimes Karya Brahma also described as Satya, Apara Brahma, which is called. Means Aupadhika Brahma, Brahman with conditioning. Here in this mantra, Satya Shabda has been used for Karya Brahma, Aupadhika Brahma. Satya has not been used for Nirguna Niraupadhik Brahma. Because, you know, उपासना होता है औपाधिक ब्राह्मण का, निरुपाधिक ब्राह्मण का उपासना नहीं होता, निर्गुण निराकार ब्राह्मण का उपासना नहीं होता. तो हियर सत्यस्य मीन्स अपर ब्रह्म का, अपर ब्रह्म का मतलब औपाधिक ब्रह्म का. मुखम, मुख शब्द मीन्स द डोर of a house. Anand. Some Acharya thinks Mukha means pratik, symbol. Like Saligram is the symbol of Vishnu. So in that way, they think Satyasya Apihitam Mukham means Satya Brahma ka, Karya Brahma ka Mukh, Mukha means Pratik, means the intrinsic nature of the Supreme Being has been covered up by some symbol. And that is Hiranmayana Patre. Apihitam, api upasarga purvaka dha dhatu. The sutra is Dudhang dharana oshanayoho. If we do ta pratyay, then dha dhatu ka ही आदेश होता है. पाणिनि सूत्र 6.4.42. Whatever, Satyasya, in some book it is there Satyasya Pihitam Mukham, but Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji has taken Satyasya Apihitam Mukham. tat shabda is sarvanama, जो बुद्धिस्त पदार्थ का बोधक है. मीन्स पहले जिनके बात किया गया है उस पदार्थ को बोलने के लिए हम लोग जो अल्टरनेटिव यूज करते हैं उसी के सर्वनाम बोलते हैं. राम इज ए गुड बॉय, ही गोज टू स्कूल एवरी डे, he drinks milk every morning. So he we are using when Ram was told earlier. So tat is also sarvanam in that. Tvam is the madhyam purusha vachak, yusmat shabda. Okay. Here in Shruti, कर्मी और उपासक को वक्ता नाम से जो स्पीकर बोला गया है. पूषण, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मच डिटेल्स हैं. इट सीम्स just one word grammatical. That is because student asked me. Pushan, pusha pushtau push. That is the dhatu vibriti. in संक्षिप्त सार व्याकरण Unani Sutra, this is their Varishaderan. So in that way, Pushan Shabda, Push धातु से Pushan शब्द आता है. Pushan means sometimes sun, not always. Pushan means nourisher, who nourishes. Clear? In Veda, Pushan means some deities. Pushan means Karya Brahma. Apavrinu, Apa Upasarga, then Ang Upasarga, then Vring, Varane, Swadiganya, Ubhayapadi. So the dhatu is Bri. If Bri dhatu के परस्मय पद लोट करने से अपावृणु होता है. Then Satya Dharmaya. Satya means Karya Brahma. Dharma means Atma. So Satya Dharma means जिनका धर्म सत्य है. पाणिनि सूत्र 5.4.124 धर्मादनिच केवलात. From that सत्य धर्मन शब्द comes. उसका चतुर्थी होता है सत्य धर्मणे. But बहुलम छंदसी. इसका प्रयोग होने से सत्य धर्माय हो रहा है. जिनका सत्य धर्म है, जो सत्य धर्म का पालन किया है. सत्यम धर्मः यस्य. बहुब्रीहि समास. Then another Acharya, they told Satyah cha asau dharmah iti satya dharma. Karmadharaya samas. It's too much details. Drishtaye. Drishtaye means drish plus thing. Drishti matlab darshan. So, Chaturthi. Okay, Satya Dharmaya Drishtaye. I will not go much deeper. Then, just Shankar Bhashya, I just want to read. And today, very interesting gist I will tell of this mantra. But as you know, for the student, I have to tell all the things. Shankar Bhashya, Manusha Daiva Vitta Sadhyam Phalam Shastra Lakshanam Prakriti Layantam Etavati Samsaragatihi Atah Param Purvaktam Atma Eva Abhut Bijanatah Iti Sarvatma Bhava Eva Sarva Eshana Sanyasa Jnana Nishthapalam Evam Vipa Prakaraha Pravrittihi Nivrittihi Lakshanaha Vedarthaha Atra Prakashitaha Tatra Pravritti Lakshanasya Vedarthasya Vidhi Pratishedha Lakshanasya Kritsnasya Prakashane Pravargya प्रवर्ग्यांत ब्राह्मणम उपयुक्तम निवृत्ति लक्षणस्य वेदार्थस्य प्रकाशने अथ ऊर्ध्वं बृहदारण्यकम उपयुक्तम तत्र निषेकादि श्मशानान्तं कर्म कुर्वन् जिजीविषेत् यो विद्यया सहा परब्रह्म विषयया तदुक्तं विद्यां च अविद्यां च यस्तद्वेदो भयं सह अविद्यया मृत्युं तीर्त्वा विद्यया अमृतमश्नुते इति तत्र केन मार्गेण अमृतत्वम् अश्नुते इति उच्यते यत् यत् तत् सत्यम असौ स आदित्यः य एष एतस्मिन् मंडले पुरुषः यश्चायं दक्षिणेह क्षण पुरुषः एतद् उभयं सत्यम। बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद 5.5.2 ब्रह्मोपासीनो यथा उक्त कर्म कृच्च यह सह अंतकाले प्राप्ते सत्यात्मानं आत्मनः प्राप्ति द्वारं याचते हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण हिरण्मयम् इव हिरण्मयं ज्योतिर्मयम् इति एतत् तेन पात्रेण एव अपिधान भूतेन सत्यस्य आदित्यमण्डलस्थस्य ब्रह्मणः अपिहितम् आच्छादितं मुखं द्वारं तत् त्वं हे पूषण अपावृणु अपसारय सत्य धर्माय तव सत्यस्य उपासनात् सत्यं धर्मः यस्य मम सह अहं सत्य धर्मा तस्मै मह्यम् अथवा यथा भूतस्य धर्मस्य अनुष्ठात्रे दृष्टये तव सत्यात्मन उपलब्धये। So just in gist I will tell very shortly. Hiranmaya means golden, appearing as though made of gold. That means resplendent. By that patrena, by that vessel, which is like a lid that hides from view. Apihitam is concealed, covered, mukham the face, the door, satyasya of truth, of that very Brahman who is in the solar orb. Tattvam pushan, that thou, O sun, apavrinu, do open or remove. I, who have got the quality of truth, by meditating on you as truth, am Satya Dharma. So, Satya Dharmaya means for my sake, who am of that kind truthful, or it means for the sake of one, that means me, who performs the rightful duties, drishtaye, so as to be seen, so that you who are truth by nature may be realized. Now, one very interesting explanation, because you are enough bored by listening to grammar and not all others. Listen, what a wonderful explanation. It just came into the mind that this is the prayer to Surya Bhagavan. This is the mantra of Shukla Yajurveda. So, Yagnavalkya Rishi has got this mantra from Surya Bhagavan itself. Clear? So, from other religious faith, they sometimes threat us. हम लोग तुम्हारा सारे मूर्ति तोड़ देंगे, We will destroy your all idols. अरे तोड़ो भाई, किसने मना किया? Break. Now you have to break the sun also, because sun is also our God. Moon is also our God. Break them. So Usha is the another name of Surya Bhagavan. Pushan is, Sambodhana. Like विराट कोहली, तो हम लोग बोलते हैं वीरू 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 वीरू, ये आ जाता है. दिस इज द संबोधन. तो पूषा जो सूर्य का और एक संबोधन है पूषण, ओ नरिशर. जो पोषक है वो सर्वशक्तिमान है. दैट इज वाई, और उनके पास सारे सामान होना चाहिए. वाई लक्ष्मी जी इज द वाइफ ऑफ विष्णु? बिकॉज विष्णु जी इज द सस्टेनर, who maintains. If he doesn't get the money and all those things, how the maintenance work will happen? So he needs Lakshmi. So here in that way, Poshak means Sarva Shaktiman. So Hiranmayana Patrena means by the golden disc. Satyasya apihitam mukham. सत्य का जो द्वार है वो जैसे कवर्ड हुआ. The door of the truth has been covered. Tam apavrinam. Please remove it. सत्य धर्माय दृष्टाय. सत्य को देखने के लिए ये भी आप ले सकते हैं. I am that Satya Dharma. I have done sadhana. I am requesting you, because my dharma is Satya. I am the one who lived in the path of Satya, path of Dharma, path of truth. The goal of my life is truth. God is truth. Truth is God. So here, truth, God is truth means lakshana of God, intrinsic nature of God. भगवान की स्वरूप क्या है? God is truth. Clear? Truth is God means this is the sadhana marga, in which way I will get the God, through the path of Satya. Clear? Like truth is God in another Upanishad, it is there, Satyena pantha vitate devayan. It's there. Like Satya Dharma is like that. Satya Dharma means Bhagavan is Satya, Satya is Bhagavan. Bhagavan is Satya मतलब भगवान की स्वरूप. सत्य इज भगवान मतलब भगवान को पाने का पथ है सत्य. ठीक है? इंटरेस्टिंग है. Another thing, so I am the seeker of truth and I have lived the life of truth. So, okay. Now, Hiranya means Sona. Sona means gold. So, the another explanation, listen. Him. Him means beneficial. Ramaniyam, attractive. So, Sona or gold is such a thing which is as well as beneficial and attractive. Clear? That Hiranmayana patrena satyasya apihitam mukham. Hiranmaya here, the total mind. Clear? Hiranmaya means total mind. Here, Nama, Rupa, name and form is Maya. That is why Ishavasyam idagum sarvam. Everything is covered by Maya. See, in this mantra, there is a prayer that everything is covered by name and form. Oh Lord, I can't remove. I can't remove them by myself. So you please remove it. ये जो राम रूप का माया है, मुझे ये सत्य देखता है, मुझे सब कुछ सत्य लगता है. ये घर, ये मकान, खाना, ये शरीर, ये दांत की यंत्रणा, everything appears as satya to me. Everything is covered by name and roop, form. I can't remove its covering by myself. Please help me. साधना करके क्या जाना जाता है? कि साधना की द्वारा भगवान प्राप्ति संभव नहीं. भगवान के कृपा के सिवा अलावा भगवान दर्शन संभव नहीं. ये साधना की द्वारा जाना जाता है. By spiritual practice, we only can know that through spiritual practice, the truth cannot be revealed only. We need His grace or her grace. Now, in one place where I explained, there they told that should we look at the sun god always? No. It's not like that. See, because of its effulgence, we can't see. Without sun, we can't see. But when it is highly illuminating, highly effulgent, we can't see anything else. So Bhakta devotee is telling that Bhagavan, your upadhi, your conditioning is so glorious that I can't see anything else. In our daily life, if a lot of halogen comes, can we see? No. So think about the sun. So it's a prayer that Bhagavan, आपकी उपाधि इतनी है, I can't see anything else. भगवान को उनका उपाधि कम करने के लिए बोला जाता है. That, oh my God, OMG, your conditioning is so exalted because of your own brilliance. I can't see you. Please remove it. We are Jiva. And Bhagavan is omnipotent, omniscient. That is why the Satya, the truth, is covered. To attain that truth, this mantra is the Prarthana. हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखम् तत्त्वं पूषन्न पावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये। हरि ओम।